Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Haneen, and today we're going to talk about how people become villain. So, in this recently released movie, 2025 Test, it's a Tamil-based movie. You can see Madhavan acting a very innocent, loving, caring, funny husband, but in the end of the movie, you can find him becoming something very cruel. And I was like, wow. I was like, how did he turn, or how did we get this huge twist from being a loving husband to such a villainic act, right? So, being a psychologist, as I analyzed, I found out three reasons what led him to become a villain.
First reason that led him to become a villain, I would say that is a pressure. A lot of pressure that he was put in, the IVF cost, the depth of 50 lakh, and there is his entire career that he put his whole sweat and blood and it's almost failing. Right. And also there is another side of him, the desperation that he needs to prove the world that I'm worth of something. I'm a scientist and this project gonna work and he has this lot of desperation.
है चांदनी वही ये चांदनी वही
Well, second thing that we have noticed in this movie is that his hero complex. He thinks Sarah thinks himself as he only can fix the situation. Like he's alone in the situation and he need to fix it. And I'm not saying psychologically that it is wrong. When you're in a situation, yes, it's right. You are alone in this situation. You can ask help, but in the end of the time, you're just alone and you have to deal with your own problems. That's so true. But how Sarah dealt with it in the end is so wrong. Maybe his execution was very morally wrong. That's why he was seen as a very villain in the end. Well, third reason is he bottles up everything. It can be his shame, it can be his fear of failure, it can be his all the emotions that he was going through, his stress, his depth. He could have shared to his wife or his friends, that's the people around him, but he chose to keep it all inside and it was eating him every day. Though he was taking it out as a form of humor, but there was so much going through inside and in the end you can see how it resulted, the bottling up of the feeling, the emotional disconnection he felt, that he ended up hurting his own people, his wife, the child, everything. And it was something that psychologists, more like everyone talks about, like if you are going through anything, first thing you have to do is share it to someone or get a help or take book a session and talk to us, right? But people just keep it inside and inside and inside and it's going to burst outside one day. Well, the question still remains, is Saravanan a true villain? To be honest, not really. Saravanan was a tragic character, not a evil. He becomes a villain in the eyes of others because he chose the wrong path for the right reasons. His story is about how unprocessed emotions and silent suffering can slowly push even good people into dark choices. So next time you go through anything stressful, frustrating that is eating you inside, don't bottle it up. Try to talk to your parents or like your partners, your friends, your siblings, anyone that you feel so comfortable. Or yeah, we are available. Talk to therapists, book a session, and we're here to give you a hand, to understand you, to value you, and give you a path and give you right advice, right? We're always here. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.